Say we are at Hoover Dam. Say it.
We're at Hoover Dam.
Louder.
We're at Hoover Dam.
Grandma says she wants to walk from here all the way down there.
Look at the duck. Is the duck over here?
Brings back memories. See all the way down there, ma'am? Where all those cars are? That's where Daddy learned how to ride a bike. Daddy and Papa Russell took me all the way down there, and he taught me how to ride my bike.
Papa, are you
90 years old. Hitting the steps. Feel tired? With the fam at Hoover Dam. Get out. Look at these big rocks. We're gonna walk these rocks. Yes? Alright, come on. Put one foot over. Okay. You got your balance? Yes? Down here. Down here. Get low and use your hands. Alright. There you go. Keep going. Use your hands.
the spider web?
It's alright. Use your hands. Use your hands. Use your hands. Hamid made it. Cross now. You made it. Did you make it? Alright. You made it.